Hi, it's Sandy. Here on Tuesday, live at 5, just to throw off the schedule a little bit. Actually, the reason I'm doing a live at 5 today is this. I'm just going to let everybody kind of give them a minute. Is Paper Pumpkin. I just got my January box, and I'm so excited. I have no idea what's in it, but I thought I truly have not opened it. I thought we'd do that on live so we can all see what it is and be surprised and all that goodness. So anyway, so if you're just joining us now, I'm going to reveal the January Paper Pumpkin box. If you are a subscriber and want to be surprised, scroll on until later. If you are not a subscriber and want to know why you should do Paper Pumpkin, then definitely watch. I'll kind of talk about Paper Pumpkin for those that are familiar with it, even if you're not familiar with it, why Paper Pumpkin is awesome. It's a monthly kit, gets mailed to you, $19.95 a month. That's it, plus tax. Shipping is included. If you're a demonstrator, you can get it. You can, if you're not a demonstrator and are just a customer, you can get it. Here's the cool thing. It always includes, I'm grabbing a very old box, some of the goodies. This was from September 2016, I guess. It included, I'm doing these for an upcoming craft fair. I didn't put this one together because, it included some test tubes, the kit to make all of these, a little stamp set, and an ink spot. And in the kit is also the stickers, adhesives. Really all you need is scissors. Sometimes you might want to use your own adhesive, maybe not, it just depends. But this was from quite a while ago. That's an awful lot. So it's great for people who don't have a lot of room for supplies, or hey, if you're listening, give me a like or a shout out or something, because I honestly, I can't see when I'm in the recording screen. So, and I don't have enough room to have another device set up so I can, watch comments. That would be my ideal world, to have that. Anyway, so the Paper Pumpkin kits include always a kit, whether it's to make cards or gifty things or some kind of candy holder or home decor thing. I know some people only like the card ones, some people like the other ones. I actually kind of like the home decor ones, but that's me. Probably because I'm not inclined to do a lot of home decor for myself normally. But it's a great way to build up your stamp sets. Again, they all come about this size. Your very first kit comes with, I didn't grab one, but we'll use this imaginary. It's bigger than this, but it comes with a clear block to get you started, which you'll use month after month. But the stamp sets always come about this size with various number of pieces. You get an ink spot. The colors are guaranteed to only repeat once every 12 months, maybe less. But in a 12-month period, there will not be a repeat of colors. So that's all they can promise. That's awesome. They use in colors once in a while. So if you don't have room for full ink pads, that's another way to build up your collection. Plus, I don't know if anyone knows, these ink spots, you can re-ink them with our re-inker bottles, the ink refill. So even though they're small, they're still very, very usable. So it comes with this and all of this. Anyway, I'm going to open. I can't wait. So, yeah. And by the way, if you're from Minnesota and watching, go Vikes! Woo! Can't believe it. See, I'm really cracking the seal. I have not opened it. It came just a few hours ago. Ooh, rich raspberry. So, I got a rich raspberry spot. Oh, it must be a Valentine kit. Okay, which way does this go? Look at Happy Valentine's Day, be mine. I keep flipping these the wrong way. Sending hugs and kisses to you. Ooh, hoo, hoo. big reveal. Oh, it's adorable. Oh, I'm so glad I got this month. Oh, look at that. That's your spoiler alert. So it comes with, I can't count. That looks like 16 cards and envelopes. Heartfelt love notes. Oh, I think I'm going to be using that stamp set later today. Some gorgeous copper trimmed, excuse me, looks like organdy ribbon. And that's copper or rose gold to some on there. Oh, yeah. I think I'm the one in love. Let's open that. Anyway, so the other things about Paper Pumpkin is I'm an on again, off again subscriber. I'll subscribe if they've got some specials coming up. I freely admit this. I mean, that's the beauty of it. Is for a while I had the shall we call it red box pileup in my corner, and I have since given away, sold off some of those quite a while ago. I truly did not have. Oh gosh, these are adorable. Oh, they are adorable. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm so in love. Oh boy. Look at that. And then we have, little enamel, self-adhesive enamel dots. The ribbon. What else is in here? Some little scalloped paper. I assume these will be probably stamped with these items. And the labels. And then, juicy, a couple sheets of some vellum hearts. Oh, we'll be putting this together off camera later on. Nummy. Anyway, so yeah, I will suspend my subscription for a couple months if I know I'm going to be busy and I don't need it, don't want a red box pileup. I will stop it. I just stopped when this one was delivered today. I just went in and I suspended it for a couple months. I'll probably start again in April, but that's kind of how I manage it. I don't, because I'm a demonstrator, I don't need them every month, but you know, it's kind of a frivolous expense then. But for those that don't have, that like crafting and don't have a lot of room, Paper Pumpkin really is a great product. And I was going somewhere with this. It really is. I just personally don't need to get it every month for me. I'm looking for something in here. Honestly, I thought. Anyway, I was looking for the Paper Pumpkin information, because what happens is during celebration until March 31st, when you subscribe, you subscribe for 3 months for, I think it's $55. So that gives you $1 off. I didn't print the flyer. I don't remember the exact amounts, but it gives you like $1 off a month. You get to pick one celebration item. So for that 3-month subscription, you get to pick a celebration item. You get to there's 3. This is on pre-buy. On prepaid subscriptions, you can do 3, 6, and 12. So for a 3-month, you get to pick one celebration item. For a 6-month, you get to pick 2 celebration items or 1 level 2. I thought there were better flyers. Drop. Level 2. Where's the level 2? It's that Celebrate You. Yes. Here's a level 2. So you can pick one of those or 2 of the $50 ones if you get a 6-month subscription. 6. There's 6. You do 12-month subscription, you can get 2 level 2s or 4 level 1s, or however you want to math that. Anyway, you get the idea. I don't know where. Anyway, so that's just a little something to pre-buy. It's a great gift for someone who likes crafting, who doesn't have a lot of supplies, It's a great way to get them started. I have sold a number of these kits to people who are just kind of beginning crafters. Honestly, any level crafter can enjoy these. There is certainly, on Pinterest and other places, there are certainly alternate ways to use the kit too. I usually make the kit as is. But that being said, they're just a fantastic gift because, again, they get an ink pad, an ink spot, but an ink pad, a stamp set, and a whole bunch of other cool stuff. That's just awesome for $20. Can't beat that. Anyhow, hey Jenny. That's all I have for today. Remember to like and share my thingy. Totally not planned today. Be sure to like my page if you haven't. And yeah, that's the other thing. Thursday, Sandy's Sandbox, 1 to 4 at my house. It's open to anyone, including downline, and you can come play and try new products. This is something that I'm trying for 6 months. I want to see how it goes, see if everyone likes it and is responsive to it. It is not a class. It's not organized. There's no treats. You bring your own beverage, bring your own snacks. Welcome to eat in here. Don't care about that. It's kind of, there is a Keurig here if you want to make hot cocoa or coffee or whatever other kind of Keurig type beverage. It's free and open to anyone. And here are the dates. Again, this Thursday is the first one. Next one is February 13th. They'll always be from 1 to 4. I'm going to try and keep them on the second Tuesday of every month. And it's a chance to come out and try out punches, big shot stuff, anything that's not reusable, any disposable items like tape, paper, things like that, you have to bring yourself, or buy what I have, but I recommend that you bring your own. And I just think it's something fun to try because, again, you get to come and play and see the new stuff and you'll fall in love with it. Place a huge order. Get a ton of celebration items because you place such a big order. Anyway, thanks for stopping by today. Keep being creative.